The counting rate observed from a radioactive source at t is equal to 0 second was 1600 counts per second, and at t is equal to 8 seconds it was 100 counts per second. The counting rate observed as counts per second at t is equal to 6 seconds will be. At t is equal to 6 seconds will be. So this is an activity. Activity is also given by activity at a present instant of time. A is equal to the initial activity. When the number of samples were more, activity is more. We all aware of this. When number of atoms is more, activity is more. Initially when number of atoms is more, activity is more. As it gets decayed, number of atoms is less, means rate of decay will also become less. So that is e to the power minus lambda t. So this can be easily written as a naught, a by a naught, e to the power minus lambda t, which can be rewritten as, lambda can be rewritten as minus 0.693 by t half into t. So a by a naught becomes 1 by e to the power 0.693 by t half into t, which is, see, e to the power 0.693 is 1 by 2 to the power t by t half, which we are also aware. Now, initially at t is equal to 0 second, the count rate was 1600. So a naught was given to be 1600, and it was 100 when time elapsed was 8 seconds. A has become 100. So we are using the formula a by a naught equal to 1 by t by t half. So this is 100. Initial count rate in the decay counting meter is 1600, and time elapsed is 8. We don't know the half-life. We don't know the half-life. So these zeros cancel. So 1 by 16 it will be. 1 by 16 can be written as 1 by 2 whole to the power 4. So now comparing, 8 by t half is 4. 4 ones are 2s are. T half is 2 seconds. T half is 2 seconds. Okay. Now what they are asking, at t is equal to 6 seconds, what is the count rate of that measuring decay meter, which measures the radioactivity? So a by a naught is equal to 1 by 2 t by t half, the same formula. Now I have to calculate a. This is 1600 half. T is at t is equal to 6 seconds, and its half-life we have found out, which is 2. Now this is half to the power 3. So that is a by 1600 is 1 by 8. 8 ones are, this is 200. So a activity is 200 counts per second. So 200 counts per second is the answer, which happens to be option C.